Is it really possible to rewire your brain after 40, or is this just as good as it gets? You're trying to stay focused, but your brain feels like a browser with 37 tabs open, and none of them are loading. You are told it's just stress or normal aging, or worse, you're just not trying hard enough. But here's what most doctors miss. In midlife, your brain changes. And if you're a woman, those changes hit harder, faster, and deeper. This isn't just a motivational problem, it's also a brain fuel problem. And no, you don't necessarily need more meds to fix it. Hi, I'm Dr. A. I'm an integrative psychiatrist. Today, we're talking about how to treat ADHD naturally. I'll break down the root causes behind your brain fog, forgetfulness, and focus issues, and show you what to do about it step by step. Stick around because I'll share one daily habit that improves ADHD symptoms in as little as a week. But first, let me tell you about Melissa. She's 48, a successful entrepreneur. But lately, she's been making simple mistakes, losing her keys, snapping at her team, forgetting appointments she swore she wrote down. She said to me, Dr. Air, I used to be sharp. Now I feel like I'm constantly catching up with my brain. Does that sound familiar? You're not imagining it. Here's what's going on. Estrogen plays a key role in regulating dopamine, your brain's motivation, reward, and attention neurotransmitter. But in perimenopause and menopause, estrogen becomes erratic and eventually drops. This affects how your brain interacts with dopamine. Research from psychoneuroendocrinology shows this hormonal disruption directly affects memory, concentration, and decision making. That's why ADHD symptoms often appear or worsen in women during midlife, even if they were never diagnosed in childhood. And because women are great at masking symptoms earlier in life, it often goes unrecognized. In just a bit, I'll share how your mitochondria, your cellular batteries, could be a missing link in your ADHD treatment. Let's be clear, ADHD meds help. They work for many. And for some women, they're essential. But here's the problem. Your body processes medication differently at 45 than it did at 25. Hormonal shifts, slower metabolism, and even gut health impact how your brain responds to stimulants. So while Adderall or Vyvanse might help you focus short term, they can also spike anxiety, disrupt sleep, suppress appetite, and worsen irritability. Many of my patients say, I'm focused for a few hours, then I crash and feel worse. Or I'm getting things done, but I don't feel like myself. And when the medication wears off, they're back at square one, if not lower. The truth is that you can't always medicate your way out of a lifestyle problem. That's why more and more women are turning to natural, whole person strategies that address the deeper causes. Let's break down what those actually look like. We'll talk about 3 systems you must support. Treating ADHD naturally isn't about one magic pill. It's about healing the systems your brain depends on to stay clear, calm, and focused. Let's start with the most overlooked one. Number 1, your brain needs more fuel, but not from sugar. Your brain uses 20% of your body's total energy, yet it cannot store it. That means when your energy production crashes, so does your focus. And in midlife, that energy production starts to slow, especially in your mitochondria. These are your brain's battery packs, and they get hit hard by inflammation, stress, and hormonal shifts. A study in Frontiers in Neuroscience linked mitochondrial dysfunction to cognitive decline and ADHD-like symptoms. So if you want to improve focus, you need to power up your mitochondria. Start here. Magnesium glycinate, 200 to 400 milligrams at night to reduce overstimulation and promote brain chemical balance. Omega-3s, EPA-rich fish oil, 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily, improves attention. B-complex with methylated folate and B12. These are essential for neurotransmitter production. Also, consider adding creatine monohydrate, 3 to 5 grams per day. New research shows it supports brain energy and memory. In just a moment, I'll share the one breakfast mistake that secretly sabotages focus all day. Number 2, balance blood sugar to stabilize attention. Ever feel laser focused after coffee, then totally crash by 2 p.m.? That could be due to your blood sugar. Unstable blood sugar spikes cortisol, crashes dopamine, and turns your brain into a short-circuiting mess. One study from the Journal of Attention Disorders found that children and adults with ADHD often have impaired glucose tolerance. And guess what? That only gets worse with age. To stabilize focus naturally, Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein in your first meal. Combine carbs with fat and fiber. Example, apple with almond butter or oats with chia seeds and walnuts. Never skip meals. This sets off a blood sugar roller coaster. Ditch the refined sugar and processed carbs. The spike then crash your brain. Need a go-to breakfast? Try a smoothie with protein powder, chia seeds, avocado, frozen berries, almond milk, and cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate glucose. Avocado provides healthy fat, and protein gives your brain the fuel it needs. Number 3, slow inflammation. If your brain feels like it's on fire, it probably is. Low-grade inflammation affects how your brain cells communicate. It slows signal speed and creates neural noise, making focus, memory, and motivation harder. Research in translational psychiatry found elevated inflammatory markers in people with ADHD, especially women with gut issues or high stress. That's why treating inflammation is a game changer for natural ADHD care. Here are a few things you can do. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods: leafy greens, berries, turmeric, ginger, olive oil, and wild salmon. Also, you need to prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Your brain detoxifies during deep sleep. Movement is crucial. Walk at least 20 minutes daily. This lowers cortisol and boosts dopamine. Cut out seed oils, sugar, excessive caffeine, and alcohol. And don't forget the gut-brain link. If your digestion is off, constipation, bloat, and IBS, your brain is likely suffering too. Probiotic-rich foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and plain yogurt can help restore balance. Now let's talk about the trap so many fall into. They treat symptoms, not systems. They try new supplements, but ignore sleep. They take meds, but skip meals. They start therapy, but never address inflammation or hormones. Here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's likely underpowered, undernourished, and overworked. And it's trying to tell you something. This is why I created the Reset Method, my root cause healing framework for women over 40. It helps you rebuild your brain from the inside out. Starting out with restoring energy, stabilizing blood sugar, and calming inflammation. Not covering it all up with more meds. Now let's put it all together. Here's your first week blueprint to naturally reset ADHD symptoms. Number 1, morning routine. Wake up at the same time daily. Drink a glass of water with a pinch of sea salt. Eat about 30 grams of protein with your first meal. Number 2, supplements. Omega-3, magnesium glycinate before bed, methylated B complex, creatine. Number 3, movement. Walk 20 minutes in the morning sun when possible. Do 30 minutes of strength training 3 times a week. Muscle supports metabolic and mental health. Number 4, lifestyle. Start a brain dump journal at night. Turn off screens 1 hour before bedtime. Try guided breath work or meditation. Even 3 minutes helps. Number 5, nutrition. Ditch ultra-processed snacks. Eat real whole foods. Hydrate with water. Avoid the sodas and energy drinks. Combining these with medication as compared to medication alone makes for a more effective treatment of ADHD. If you're interested in learning about Adderall for ADHD, check out this video.